foretells a tale when the world goes boom. Nobody prepared, don't think anybody cared about the soldiers. Bombs, they fall, now everybody knows it don't take us. Close to pulling on the terrific, catastrophic hell will be soon and be up in the sky. Even when the world feels alone, being cold inside. Even when the heart feels blistered from the sides. For they would fall, for they would rise, for they would tear apart the devil from your very eyes. Take your hindsight and change the world. For you recognize, for it's now your chance to use your hands to send through the cracks and look at where you stand. Take on the past open masquerade. This is atomic renegade. Resources are scarce, the riots of a homicidal rampage. Claim your rightful place, mark the writing on your face, turn a new page. Run homes, they took your land, and now you're left alone. There's masses of rebellions, preposterous, demonic, carnage, ready for your bones. Use your senses and you'll prove you're old again. You're the hero of this left in life with pain. For they would fall, for they would rise, for they would tear apart the devil from your very eyes. Take your hindsight and change the world. For you recognize, for it's now your chance to use your hands to send through the cracks and look at where you stand. Take on the past open masquerade. This is atomic renegade. Now let's begin with simple instructions of what made you special. These were considered your abilities to carry forward. You'll keep your aim right where you want it to be. Springs will tackle foes, but how won't form. Socialize, enemies are closer than you think. Outsmart your foes with gadgets capable of power. Build reflexes to defend against approaching scum. Tactic and strength is one thing, but sometimes all it takes is good luck. Now take your world and turn it upside down. One man pushes through one mutant at a time. Rise, well and back, a foretell of times when you were under attack. But your hindsight changed the world. For they would fall.